everyone, I'm Tammy Forbes and I'm here to shed some light on credit unions in the Bahamas. Some of you may be wondering exactly what a credit union is and what is it that they do. So joining me today is Mr. William Knowles, who is the financial controller of the Bahamas Cooperative League, which is located on Russell Road in Oaksfield. Welcome, Will.
Thank you, Tammy.
Well, let's start with you telling us what a cooperative is.
Okay, well, a cooperative is a group of people that come together with a common goal to pool their resources, okay, to achieve a common objective. Now, there are two types of cooperatives, the financial one, which is called a credit union, and the producer-supplier cooperative, okay, where a group of producers band together to process, produce, and market their product, like farmers do, or wood carvers, okay, and the cooperative movement is a large body. We have cooperatives all over the world, okay? The national motto for cooperatives is people helping people to help themselves.
Nice.
Now, the Bahamas Cooperative League is the apex body and it represents all cooperatives in the Bahamas, okay? We provide legislative assistance and we assist in regulation. We also provide training throughout the movement, and we also hold the reserves of different credit unions.
Okay, so I know that there are many credit unions in the Bahamas, so explain to me exactly what the credit union is.
Okay, like I said, the credit union is the financial cooperative, and it's similar to a bank, where you're able to save your monies and borrow monies, via loans. Now, the credit union is owned by its members. Okay, so it's a little, it's different from banks, okay?
Okay, so you're saying the credit union is different from a bank. What is the difference? How does it differ?
Okay, like I said, the credit union, the members or the customers, they own the credit union, okay? And unlike the banks where the shareholders own the credit union and the profits, banks are profit organizations, and the profits go to their shareholders. Whereas in the credit unions, the customers or members, they are the owners of the credit union. So all profits go back to the members, okay? And unlike the banks that are primarily owned by foreign persons, the credit unions are owned by Bahamians, and all of the profits stay in the Bahamas.
Okay, so let me understand this. When you say that the customers are members, am I to assume that they are stakeholders?
Yes, exactly, Tammy. They are stakeholders.
How does that work?
And each credit union member has one vote. And at their annual general meeting, they elect directors who would in turn run the credit union. Okay, so one member, one vote. So that is regardless of how much money you have in the credit union, it's still one member, one vote.
Okay, well, I'm not a member of a credit union, so sell your product to me. Tell me, what are the benefits of me joining the credit union?
Okay, well, for one, we have no stamp tax, okay, and we have loans and savings insurance. We have very good competitive rates on our loans, and the rates on the deposits, term deposits, are much higher than banks.
That's good. So if you say that the savings and the loans are insured, let me understand this. Are you saying that in the event something happens to the credit union?
Well, this type of insurance is more of a life insurance product, and what this means is that your loan with the credit union, in the unfortunate event of your death, up to $100,000 would be paid off by the credit union if you were to die. And your savings up to $20,000 would be matched or doubled. And this would in turn go to the beneficiary that you would have on your account at the credit union.
Really? That is an added benefit of being a member, wouldn't you say?
Yes, it is, Tammy. But there are some products that banks have that credit unions don't offer. And that, for one, would be the checking accounts. And two, we don't offer foreign exchange transactions at this time. So you would need a bank for that.
Okay, so what products and services would the credit union offer then that would be advantageous for me?
Well, similar to banks, we have good savings and loan products. We have different loans like consumer loans, we have vacation loans, education loans. We have different savings accounts, like we have the Christmas savings, we have educational savings, we have special term deposits. Some credits also have the IRA, investment retirement accounts. Teachers and salary workers, they have that particular account. Teachers also has a mortgage program as well. We have a credit card program. Some credit unions are moving toward the ATMs. We have one that already went to ATM. We have general insurance through our wholly owned insurance brokerage, which is the Bahamas Cooperative League Insurance. So we have those products to make it easier for our members.
Okay, it's a general belief that using a bank is a more trustworthy source or options for savings. Would you tell me if this is so, or I guess what I really want to know is my money safe in the credit union?
Yes, Tammy, definitely it is safe.
Sure.
The credit unions are regulated first by the government of the Bahamas, and then secondarily by the Bahamas Cooperative League, okay? And to date, no one has ever lost money in a credit union.
Oh,
in the Bahamas, that is.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yes.
And how many credit unions do we have presently in the Bahamas?
Well, we have a number of credit unions. We have basically two types of credit unions. One would be an open bond, which is open to the public, and then closed bond, which is just there to cater to a certain profession. The open bond credit unions are Teachers and Salary Workers Credit Union. That's on E Street and Independence Drive. We have National Workers Credit Union, that's open bond. That's on the Tonique Williams Darling Highway, okay? And then we have the Bahama Island Credit Union. That's located on Village Road. Those are the open bond credit unions. Then we have Grand Bahama Credit Union. And then we have the closed bond credit unions would cater to, like I said, the specific professions or in a group of persons, like Bahamas Law Enforcement Credit Union. They would cater to the prison officers, Defense Force, Royal Bahamas Police Force, as well as their family members. And then we have the Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union, and that credit union is for public workers and workers in public corporations. Okay?
Okay, so how can I become a member?
Well, Tammy, is very easy. First, you would just go into the credit union of your choice, and then you would fill out an application form, first of all. Then you would sign off the beneficiary, like I said, with the loan protection and the savings insurance. You would need a beneficiary, so you would select a beneficiary, and then you would have to purchase the required amount of qualifying shares to be a member. It's as easy as that.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow, that's simple.
Yes, and not only are there benefits to members of the credit unions, but we are committed to benefiting the youth of our country, and we have established junior cooperatives through several of our schools. We have QC, Aquinas, C.R. Walker, C.C. Sweeting, and Preston Aubrey. And these junior cooperatives help promote leadership skills, entrepreneurship, and also teach them the cooperative principles.
Okay.
We also give partial scholarships to someone to go to College of the Bahamas, okay? And we also believe in giving back to the nation. So we have different programs that we sponsor, different organizations. We have the Bahamas Heart Association, the Cancer Society, and we also contribute to the Children's Emergency Hospital.
Oh, that's good to know, because I am also a volunteer for charity, so it's also good to know that companies, they care enough to also give back.
Yes, we
Well,
do.
thank you so much for joining me, Will, today. I'm sure that everyone understands a lot better now the role of the cooperatives and the credit unions here in the Bahamas. I know I definitely got a much better understanding of it, and I will be checking it out and becoming a member very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tammy.
Builds a better world. Bahamas Credit Unions, people helping people to help themselves. Dial 302-0100 for more information.